Hi, my name is Nick Colish, and I live in Harrisburg, North Carolina. This is my vertical wind cutter. So what I did is I got a PVC pipe and put it on a pivot so it can move. The plants here are 2 basil, 2 cayenne pepper, and 1 tomato. Same with the control. Now the control and experimental are pretty similar. The only difference is that this one has the ability to move. It has the ability to move because when a high wind comes along, plants can get damaged. So if they don't have to face that wind, they'll obviously show more growth and produce more. So let's say a high wind comes along from this direction. So the wind vane would be pushed by the wind and it would face the back of the wind. So this way the plants are also facing the back of the wind. So there's less wind damage. Now over here, that's not, they can't move. So if high wind, tornado, possibly, would come along, then these plants would all be damaged and most likely die or have extreme damage. To test all this, to see which works better, I did this experiment over a 1-day time because that is all that is needed to test the phototropism of plants anymore, and we'd see, well, we're trying to see what the highest growth is. So what I did is I hit with a spray bottle 15 times each for these plants, and I checked their growth. So after 1 day, I tested the phototropism, and these had a higher phototropic count than these. This is because this was able to move in the wind, so there was more growth because there was less wind damage and suffering. So this was my project, and happy to share it.